Clean, safe ceramic 12 ounces ceramic travel mug perfect for any caffeine lover or coffee connoisseur. Enjoy the warmth of ceramic that won't leach or smell. Perfect for the commute, equipped with friction-fit slider lid that lets you drink directly from ceramic. Tumbler is splash-resistant, but not completely leak-proof. Hotter longer, double-wall ceramic keeps drinks hotter longer than a standard ceramic diner mug. Clean, safe, green, all parts are BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher safe. Peace of mind, Ello's lifetime guarantee protects purchases from authorized retailers. Top reviews from the United States. Great travel mug. This is a great little travel mug. I've seen some reviews about complaints of the drinks not staying hot for very long, and this is true. If you put your hot drink in it, you should plan on consuming it within the hour. I bought this mug for bringing hot tea with me for my morning drive, and I would normally finish in time when I got to work. So, the duration of the heat was never an issue for me. Plus, this was microwave safe and I could reheat my tea no problem once I got to work in case I hadn't finished. So I really think that it just depends on your needs. I was looking for something with a lid that wouldn't slosh around in the car, and this did the trick. I will say that it isn't super secure. If I would drop this in the car somehow, it would probably spill all over the place. Luckily I have a good cup holder, so I was never too worried about that scenario. I saw other reviews that said the lid would pop off on its own. I never experienced that myself. The mug itself is really cute. I got multiple compliments on it, including my dad, friends, and coworkers. I was really sad when it broke. While leaving work I went through our gate, accidentally pushed it the wrong way, and it sprung back and hit the mug. There was a big crack down the side, no way it was salvageable. So you do have to be pretty careful with this. Overall, if this mug fits your needs, I think you will be happy with it.